Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today we are going to do a deep dive into the Take Your Pick tool. This is one of the must-haves in my craft room because it has so many uses. And after watching this video, I'm pretty sure you will fall in love with it too. First of all, let's take a look at what's included when you buy the tool. It's in your annual catalog for a cost of $14, and here's what you get. So let's start with the main Take Your Pick handle. This is what you're going to use for all the different interchangeable tools that go along with it. At this side, we've got first of all a protective cap that goes over this spatula tool. And you'll see on the other end of the spatula is a pokey tool or paper piercer. It's quite sharp. So you see how I can easily change one tool for the other. Over on this side, we've got the putty end. This is full of putty here. And you can take it out, and when you run out of putty, your Take Your Pick comes with another putty head that's full of putty. There's also a stylus tool. You see you've got two different sizes of stylus here, and you can use either side, and you can use that for scoring. So we're going to talk about each of these tools today and how we use them. The genius of this Take Your Pick tool is that all the different pieces are interchangeable. You have this one handle, all the different tools that attach to it in different ways, which means you have all these different versatile tools right within reach whenever you need them. There's also an additional accessory you can buy for $12.25, which is the die brush tip. And this attaches instead of where the putty head is. And when you buy this die brush tip, it also comes with two foam pads. So for a total of $26.25, this is what you get. Now, let's dive into all the different ways that you can use this tool. I hope you've enjoyed learning all about the Take Your Pick tool. If you don't have one yet, make sure you head over to my online store and place your order right away. And don't forget to have a look at all the last chance products on the retiring list while you're there. I'm still giving away a card today too, even though we didn't make one in today's video. Here's a look at this week's prize card. You'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think of this video. And if there's something that you're interested in learning about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to see all the different virtual events I'm offering, including Creativity to Go, Mystery Stamping, and Bring Your Own Project. All of these classes are fun, social, creative, and welcoming. I hope to see you there soon. Find all of these details and so much more on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I invite you to join me on my Facebook page, Inkyfingers Papercrafting. There are fun, creative challenges and other opportunities to win cards from me every week. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your very own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!